Have you noticed it? The boat market has just crashed. Sellers are panicking, buyers are thrilled, and this could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for some of you. Today, we'll break down exactly why prices are falling, what's causing this panic, and how both buyers and sellers can navigate these uncertain waters. Stay tuned until the end. You'll want to hear all the tips and insights we've gathered for 2025. Market overview. Let's start with the big picture. Over the past few years, boat prices have been skyrocketing. Boats that sold for $50,000 a few years ago suddenly reached $80,000, $90,000, and in rare cases over $100,000. Why? High demand, limited supply, and the global boating boom. Retirees chasing their dream lifestyle, weekend sailors, even investors treating boats as assets. All this fueled an explosive market. But 2025 flipped the script. Now listings are lingering online longer than ever. Weeks, sometimes months, without a single offer. Even some dealers are holding boats that simply won't sell at the prices they want. YouTube analytics also reflect this trend. Some videos about boats still get thousands of views, but engagement shows buyers are careful now, reading reviews, asking questions, and comparing every option. This isn't just a local phenomenon. Markets across the US, Europe, and Australia are showing similar patterns. Understanding this new environment is critical for anyone buying or selling today. Visual prompts, suggestions, graph showing historical boat price growth versus 2025 slowdown. Clips of boats sitting idle at marinas charts showing YouTube video engagement shifts. Reasons behind the crash. So why is the market crashing? Let's break it down. 1. Supply saturation. More boats are for sale than ever. Many owners are upgrading, while dealers are overstocked. The result? Buyers have choices and leverage. 2. Rising costs. Ownership is no longer cheap. Fuel, maintenance, docking fees, and insurance have all increased. Even minor repairs can cost hundreds or thousands, causing hesitation among potential buyers. 3. Buyer hesitation. Economic uncertainty is slowing purchases. Inflation, higher interest rates, and financial caution make buyers pause, sometimes for months before making a move. Real-life example. A mid-sized cruiser that would have sold in a week in 2023 might now sit online for over a month. Sellers are forced to cut prices, sometimes by 10 to 20%, just to attract attention. Combine this with the rise of online marketplaces, where buyers can compare dozens of options instantly, and you have a perfect storm slowing the market. Visual prompts, side-by-side price comparison, 2023 versus 2025. Graph of number of listings versus time on market. Opportunities for buyers. Here's the exciting part. For buyers, this is golden. Small and mid-sized boats are seeing massive discounts, sometimes 20 to 30% below recent market prices. Imagine snapping up a sailboat, cruiser, or motor yacht for half of what it would have cost a few years ago. But caution is key. Do your homework. Check maintenance history, inspect hull, sails, engine, and electronics. Avoid deals that seem too good to be true. Real-world wins. A 2017 sailboat with new sails and electronics sold for $40,000 below 2023 market price in Florida. Another buyer in New England snagged a 2018 cruiser with refurbished interiors for half its previous value. Timing, patience, and preparation can save tens of thousands of dollars. Smart buyers can also negotiate extra perks like additional sails, upgraded engines, or electronics included in the deal. Visual prompts. Before-after shots of refurbished boats. Highlight checklist for buyer's map showing regions with biggest discounts. Advice for sellers. Sellers, don't panic. A market crash doesn't mean giving your boat away. Slashing prices too aggressively may get a fast sale, but can also leave money on the table. Patience and strategy are key. Tips for sellers. Highlight unique features, refurbished interiors, upgraded sails, electronics. Keep the boat clean, polished, and ready for inspections. Offer flexible financing or inspection periods. Use high-quality photos and detailed listings. Remember, the market won't stay down forever. Timing your sale, marketing smartly, and pricing realistically are more important than rushing to sell. Even in a downturn, well-presented boats move faster. Visual prompts. Clip of a clean, staged boat versus a messy one. Examples of listing descriptions with strong marketing. Regional and market insights. Location matters more than ever. Some regions restrict large yachts, pushing buyers to neighboring areas. For instance, Corsica's 24-meter limit shifted some buyers to Italy. Fuel and maintenance costs vary greatly by region. A marina in California may charge double what one in Florida does. This affects both buyer demand and seller strategy. Online traffic is up, but buyers are pickier than ever. They want transparency, value, and reliability. Photos, detailed service history, and honest communication can make or break a deal. Sellers and buyers who know regional trends can position themselves strategically. Smart buyers can find hidden deals, and sellers can target motivated buyers effectively. Visual prompts, map highlighting regional price differences, infographics showing fuel and docking cost variation, case studies and examples. Let's look at real example. A 2018 sailboat in Florida listed at $75,000 was reduced to $58,000 in 2 months, selling quickly because of realistic pricing and well-presented listing. A similar boat in New England stayed online for over 3 months because the owner refused to negotiate or provide details. In Europe, some yachts in overstock regions saw reductions of up to 30% within a few months, while others in limited supply areas held value. These examples show pricing, presentation, and patience are key. Buyers can find incredible deals, and sellers can avoid costly mistakes. Visual prompts, split-screen comparison of fast-selling versus slow-selling boats, price drop graphs by region, outro and call to action. In conclusion, the boat market is in flux. Sellers are anxious, buyers are cautious, and prices are dropping. For smart buyers, now could be the perfect time to invest. For sellers, strategy, patience, and presentation are critical. If you want more updates on the boating market, buying and selling tips, and guides for owning your dream boat, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Tell us in the comments, are you buying, selling, or just watching the market unfold? We'd love to hear your story.